Okay, so today probably take me a few days. I am going to put all this shelving into the Transit Connect, so the new van for pure professional window cleaning. And so what do I have in here? I'll list what I have in the description, but I have like a 32-inch wide shelf, a 28-inch wide shelf, I have a partition, and then I think these are the top things for the ladder rack. The ladder rack isn't here yet. Everything that I bought for the shelving and all that with shipping was about $1,800. I got all of this stuff from American Van. They're really, really good as far as being able to outfit these commercial vehicles. So that's where I did all that from. So let's just put it together. I'll kind of show you the inside here real quick. Oh, I didn't even bring my keys out. Okay, so the idea back here is actually this area over here is going to be, nothing's going to be over there. And then actually what I'm going to do is put shelving here. It's going to go to the ceiling, to the ground. I'm actually going to put a shelf there, but it opens from both sides so that if I need something from that side, I'll be able to grab it from that shelf there. There'll be a partition right here, like a metal gray partition. But yeah, and then I'll show you guys just a little bit about the front here of the Connect. So this is an XLT. So you have a really cool, you can put your phone right in that port right there, right here, and it charges. And then you have Bluetooth, you have Wi-Fi, you have storage up here, automatic. You have a couple extra USBs down here, 12 volt, air conditioning, all that good stuff. And so this is a 2020 Connect, so I'm super happy with it. And I didn't want to get a ProMaster City. I don't know, I just like the way that Ford does the insides better, to be quite honest. I just want it to be a little bit more comfortable, but I think after the partition goes in, these seats may be a little bit more up, so it may not be as comfortable. But yeah, so let's get this whole van organized, and I'll have this video go all the way through until I get my ladder rack. The lettering will be done in this video. So yeah, this will just be a video all about basically putting together everything I need for my pure professional window cleaning company van. So enjoy this. So I'm still here, and well, it's only 5 o'clock, but it took me forever to figure out how to install a plus nut. If you've ever seen a plus nut, it looks something like this. I guess they use these now for a lot of installs and these kind of stuff. So getting these put in, and I'll call it a night. So literally, I didn't even need all of this stuff or all of the extra parts. I saw online that people were installing these. After I installed those, I put these two together. This thing ain't even moving. It's secure as secure can be. So I guess all you really need to do is secure them up here, secure them down there. You line them up. I put the those to clamp them together while I bolted them together. But I'm leaving the wood actually. Why not? Really? I might remove it. I don't know. But they had it bolted in. I might just leave it for support on them. But worked out pretty nice. Partition I need to work on just a little bit. For some reason when I'm driving, it's bouncing. Okay, so the last thing that, my hair looks funky. The last thing we need to do is to put this ladder rack onto the van. I'll let you check out the lettering real quick. But very nice job done here. Clean, professional. All right, let's put the ladder back on. Okay, so we finished that video with me putting together the ladder rack, and everything just took a lot of time. So some of the stuff I didn't get a whole lot of video on. So I just want to do like a brief last overview here. I know it's kind of a long video, just about kind of the final stuff I did, some of the stuff I'm gonna do. But the ladder rack turned out really good. This is the aluminum rack, alu rack from Prime Design. Pretty easy to install. I actually installed some of this stuff wrong, but I'm not going to change it. And I put a little bit of textured tape right in here on this one and on this one, just to give it a little bit extra grip with the ladder. And I just have these keeping it on. So that turned out really good. This has like a capacity of 350 pounds, which I will never go past. I've had a 20 foot on here and a 28 foot on here on that side, and fits great. Probably one thing I'll do here is put a PVC pipe up here at some point to hold extra sections of a water fed pole right through here. Another nice thing about this, it has a roller, so when you roll off the ladder, it's easy to put on and off. So nice rack, very nice. So to kind of check out the inside here a little bit more, so basically get my screen cleaner here. When I have my Xero Pure, I do lay it down. It does fit, stand it up. I have about that much room, so I am gonna figure out something here that Jim and I are gonna build, where I might build some sort of wood insert here, where this is a little bit more stable. Right now, when I put it here, it just feels a little bit weird. So right now, I'm laying it down. When I lay it down and I have my bucket, ladders, everything in here, it's pretty packed. I do anchor it to these anchor points right here with this strap and right here, so it keeps it secure. But once everything's in here, it's pretty packed that I don't really have to worry about it. I am thinking of doing another shelf here. Right now I have this here for my hoses, but I'm definitely thinking of adding another shelf here, adding another hook on the back of the shelf, and putting my hose there. So this is definitely not finished, that's for sure. And then I'm also thinking of, I have my 30-foot micro as a traditional pole always, and what I'm going to do with that is put another PVC thing right up here and basically put it up there to save as much room as possible. So what I'm trying to do is work up down, as far as trying to get as much stuff up here. They do have a ladder rack that goes inside where you could hold something like this, but I'm not going to do it overall. But show you kind of the back here. So back here, my water fed pole just fits perfectly. So you see that. So that's the SteveOnator 40-foot pole, and that fits perfectly. Now this is the longer wheelbase Transit Connect Cargo, so that's why it fits pretty nicely. That's why I did it. Got the longest one possible. Just a hook here. I need to actually tighten that a little bit. Put my belt here. So that's what I'm thinking about doing over here, is doing the same thing, having a hook. I put my hoses there, and I can put this stuff on a shelf. I really don't like having this stuff down here. It's kind of a waste of space. So as you guys know, this is always a forever project that kind of keeps going on and on and on. I did brace this extra from what I showed in the video. I put 2 here. There's 1 up there. These just anchor into the wall with the plus nuts. Very, very strong. Up here I just have some gadgets and gadgets, brushes, different stuff like that. Here what I did, since I can't put these poles, you know, vertically, I just put them this way, and it worked out really, really nice in that I got these, bolted these to the rack, and I could put my poles that way. Have this on the hooks up here. There's not ones big enough, as far as I know, of these to be able to put that up there. I just have a bucket here full of like squeegees and washer sleeves that will be wet every day, so I put them in there. On all of this stuff, I've put carpet in here, and the same textured tape that I put on the top on the ladder rack, I've also put below here, so give this a little extra grip and to relieve the clinging and different sounds when driving. Down here I have my towels. I'll probably change up this too. I'm not too huge on like organizing my towels and folding them, since I'm going to be using them all day. So I removed the wood piece out of there so I could get as much room in there. But yeah, so that worked out pretty nice. I'll show you over here though what's nice. So here, what I have basically is my shelf here. So I have my track vacuum down here. This is an awesome track vacuum. I picked this up. This is a 30-foot long cord. So really, really nice in houses. I've already made a video where I show me using that in a house. That will come out somewhat soon. And then I just have my toolbox here with rubbers, different stuff in there, ready to go, just different pieces and stuff. I will probably separate some of the stuff in here as far as water fed pole parts and traditional parts. Then I got some of my pressure washing pieces. I just have a very simple pressure washer. We'll go over that at some point, but just keep some simple tools in here. I always keep a drill for anything needed, whatever. Picked up these straps too, these wrap-it straps, so I put that around my hose here just to keep that a little bit more organized. Worked out pretty nice overall, but that's kind of nice to have that like that. That's how they kind of organize them, is you have the shelf on one side, so you can just kind of go in and out right here, and I really like it as far as not having to crawl into the van overall. But yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the van goes for right now. I'll definitely change a lot of stuff over time as far as just organizing this side a little bit better, but overall it's worked out really, really well. So anyways, guys, that is the van for now. So I just wanted to show you guys that today, and I hope this helps you have some good ideas, and if you have any ideas for me, it would be much appreciated. Alrighty guys, have a good day. Bye-bye.